Hello, in this tutorial we're going to discuss how to tackle some basic animation use cases with Havok behavior. We're going to start with some pre-existing animation assets which are shipped along with the Havok behavior tool 2011.1 release. They're located in the My Documents Havok folder. The project we're going to look at first is Hero project. So the contents of the project is a character skeleton, skin, and animations. And what we're going to do is we're going to build a behavior graph with the behavior tool, which is the application we have open here, to demonstrate some standard character movement and environmental interactions. The examples that we're going to be building are going to be purely animation based, so we're not going to include effects like physical ragdoll or IK. We're going to add these in later after we get the foundation of the behavior graph complete. The type of character that we're going to build in this tutorial is going to be similar to those seen in action-adventure or open-world games. Examples like Prince of Persia, Uncharted, Assassin's Creed. The types of things that are important for these types of characters is that they need to be able to move around their environment responsibly and be able to interact with it convincingly. So we're going to include a couple of basic features. The first of these is locomotion. So we're going to have kind of a third-person locomotion model here. It has two different motion states, idle and moving. We're going to use some transitional animations to make the transition between idle and moving high quality. In addition to that, we're also going to have a first-person locomotion mode. So it's basically just running in different directions at different speeds. And then we're also going to include some environmental interactions. So in this level here, just zoom out, give you a view. We're going to have different types of things that we can interact with. So we're going to have a set of walls here that we can take cover behind. We're going to have a set of ledges that we can vault over. We'll have some geometry that we can climb and leap over. So examples of the character doing that, we'll be able to take cover behind different height walls. You can jump over orange ledges here. You'll notice these are different heights, so we're dynamically changing the character's jump height based on what wall we're jumping over. Scoot on over here, and then the blue pieces we can climb on and jump over gaps. When we're on the walls, we can also shimmy left and right. So examples here. And so with these features, we have a pretty compelling character experience, and we're going to show you how to use the behavior tool to kind of build out the state machines that are involved, and to use Havok script to interact with those state machines and control how they behave based on what the character, or what the user is doing with the gamepad. So that's enough for an introduction. The first section that we'll look at is third-person locomotion.